G'day guys, my name's Jacob.
I'm Ben.
And today we're going to show you our 110 Defender on full air suspension. Just behind these wheels here, we have designed and manufactured a bolt-in full air suspension kit that completely replaces the coil spring suspension.
This kit is accompanied by a 3 preset height auto leveling system. The 3 preset heights include raised height for more body clearance when tackling tricky obstacles on off-road tracks, drive or standard ride height for everyday use and towing, and lowered height for getting into car parks and even the garage at home.
The beauty about this system is no matter what height you set the vehicle to, you will always maintain that height when towing or carrying load, which means
a level vehicle and no more spring sag.
That's it.
Ride quality with full air suspension compared to a coil spring or leaf spring setup is completely different. You'll find it's a lot smoother on all the off-road tracks, sand, dirt, anywhere you go.
There we go guys, thanks for watching. Benny, shall we get the rods out and drop a line?
Waiting all morning.
Let's do it.